Hello, today we will guide you through how to import and export PST files in Microsoft Outlook 365. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to bring existing mail, calendar items, and contacts into Outlook using a PST file, and how to back up your current data by exporting it to a PST. A PST, or personal storage table, is a single file that stores Outlook items so you can move them between computers or keep an offline archive for safekeeping. Start by opening Outlook. If you're prompted to sign in, do that and give Outlook a moment to load your mailbox. A reliable internet connection helps, especially if your mailbox is large or if Outlook needs to sync recent changes. Once you see your inbox, you're ready to access the controls we need. Next, look to the top right corner of the Outlook window and click the Settings gear icon. This opens the Settings panel, which centralizes your mail and account preferences. We'll use this area to reach the options that manage your mailbox data and archived files. Inside the Settings panel, locate and select the section labeled Files. This area groups together tools related to storing and moving your Outlook data. If your window is compact, you may need to scroll to find it. After you open Files, you'll see the options to import an existing PST or export your current mailbox to a new PST. To bring content into Outlook, choose Import. You'll be prompted to browse to a PST file on your computer or on a connected drive. After selecting the file, confirm where you want its contents placed. You can merge everything into your main mailbox or direct it into a separate folder if you prefer to keep imported items distinct. If prompted about duplicates, pick the option that matches your goal, replacing existing items, allowing duplicates, or skipping duplicates. The import can take some time based on file size. You can keep working while it runs, and newly imported folders and messages will appear as the process completes. To create a backup or prepare to move your data, select Export. Choose the folders you want to include, your entire mailbox or specific areas like Inbox, Sent Items, Calendar, and Contacts. Include subfolders if you want a complete copy. When prompted, pick a location on your computer with enough free space, provide a clear file name with a date, and confirm to start. Larger exports may take longer. Leave Outlook open until it finishes, and that's it. You opened Outlook, accessed Settings, navigated to Files, and used Import and Export to manage PST archives. Keep your exported files in a safe, well-labeled location, and consider periodic exports for routine backups. Thanks for following along, and enjoy confidently managing your Outlook data.